What's up, everybody? JP here with Summer Luffin Jeep, and holy cow, has it been a while since I've made a video. Just life and yeah, just working a lot, 2 kids, trying to be a good dad and husband. Just haven't had any real time to work on anything. We've had a lot of stuff going on. We also our yellow lab Freya, had to put her down. She just became really sick, and she was suffering a lot, not being able to walk anymore, and yeah, wasn't very good. So she was 13 years old and 9 months to the day, which is pretty old for a lab, and yeah, it was sad to have to do that, and that was a whole nother thing. So but yeah, so got a little bit of time, and I know I'm working on a lot of projects. I got the trailer going on, trying to do the Jeep. So this video is just going to be a quick little video prepping the Jeep for my AEV 3.5-inch sport lift. So I got the whole lift. It's been sitting in the shed forever. I've got my tires. They're mounted on the rims, all ready to go. I just got to do it all. So what I'm going to do first now is, I was reading through the AEV directions, and there was a part where it says if you have the Rubicon Rock Rails, if you have the oversized like 315s or like 35-inch tires, so they could hit the back edge of the rock rail on the rear tires. So AEV recommends that you take off 1 inch. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to measure that inch, mark them, remove the rock rails, chop them off, and seal them up, put the end caps back on, and then remount them, so that way that's taken care of and I don't have to worry about it. So little simple project. So we're gonna get started in a few seconds. And before we start, thank you very much for tuning into this video. Thank you to all my subscribers. We're almost at 4,000, so which is really awesome. Hoping to get there soon. Yeah, so just subscribe, follow along. Got a lot of projects we're trying to bang out, and probably after this video do a quick update of the trailer, where I'm at, and I'll show you what's happened over the last few, I guess, month. Crazy. Alright, thanks again, hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe or hit that like button. Alright, here we go. Alright, so this is the spot where AEV says you're gonna have issues with clearing larger tires. So we're just gonna measure, take about 1 inch off. We're gonna mark that up, take the rails off, and then chop them off and remount them. Alright, pretty simple. So here we go. So there is a little plastic end cap piece here that protects the end of the rail. I'm going to measure from the actual lip of the metal and come back that 1 inch, and then I'm going to use my tape to mark it off. Alright, I don't know if you can see the mark, but right here at the edge of my thumb, that's 1 inch. Doesn't seem like a lot. I'm going to mark 1.5 inches and see where that is.
That's 1.5 inches. Actually, I think 1.5 inches might be better. It gives a little extra clearance. So there is the body right here, the body pinch weld seam down here, and you can kind of measure from behind it. And 1.5 inches will still protect that, so I think I'm going to take off 1.5 inches just to be safe. Alright, so there's 2 sets of bolts. Ones that mount directly into the bottom of the frame. That's a 13mm, and then you have 10mm that are actually going through the pinch weld, those little guys. So, alright, we're going to just unzip these. Out and just pop it off. Alright, just gonna go do the other side. Alright, both sides are off. There's the other side. Chop saw is set up, so we're gonna bring it over and get ready to chop. That's holding the end piece cap on. And that's the little end cap. Alright, so you can see it's got this little lip here. The one thing that's not going to be there anymore, once you cut this off, it's going to put the end cap in further, so it's not going to have that little plastic screw, but this is so snug in there, you don't even need that. So, alright, so that's marked, so we're just going to chop saw. Smoking. Actually followed the tape perfectly. So, alright, we're good. I'm just going to put this aside, let it cool off, chop the other one, and then we'll come back, clean up some of the burrs, and then paint it and pop the end cap back in. Just gonna let these dry for a little bit and then pop the end caps back in, and then we'll remount them. Alright, just gonna remount everything. Alright, that was almost done. Pretty easy day. driveway sweat. It's a little humid today. Alright, so now you can see. Much bigger gap. And still protecting the edge of the body, so still pretty good. Alright, let's go see the other side. Same thing. Goody good. Nice and spacey. Is that a word? Spacey? Alright. Alright, so that was a pretty easy little mod to do. So, just to recap, I'm doing the AEV 3.5 inch sport lift. So, AEV recommends 1 inch cut off of your Rubicon rails to allow for tire clearance of bigger tires. So I got 315s going on there, so I went 1.5 inches, a little extra space. I don't know if it makes that much of a difference, but I think not to have any of the rock slider rail back there to hit the tire is good. So I took 1.5 inches off. So alright, that was pretty simple. If you have any questions about what I did, just put them down below. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. And subscribe, follow along. Next up is going to be the installing the lift. I was going to see if my tires can fit on the Jeep without the lift. I don't think that's a good idea because I know the front tires are definitely going to rub. So I don't know. Because then I just got to take them off again to do the lift. So I'm just going to do the lift and then put on the new tires. So hopefully, maybe next week, I'll do the lift. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Have a great weekend. It's Friday.